we're going to be appealing this scam.
Donald Trump said on Friday he will appeal the guilty verdict that made him the first U.S. president convicted of a crime. That's after a jury found him guilty of all 34 criminal counts he faced for falsifying documents to cover up a hush money payment to porn star Stormy Daniels.
So we're going to show them that, we're going to fight. It was a rigged trial.
And it's reckless. It's dangerous. It's irresponsible for anyone to say this was rigged just because they don't like the verdict.
U.S. President Joe Biden said Trump had an opportunity to defend himself in the same justice system that applies to all Americans.
The American principle that no one is above the law was reaffirmed.
Free Trump! Free Trump!
The question now,
Free Trump!
how will this affect the upcoming presidential election? In a new Reuters Ipsos poll, 10% of registered Republican voters said they were less likely to vote for Trump following the verdict. Reuters correspondent James Oliphant.
Polling is one thing and can tell us a lot about what people will say they'll do, but sometimes it's not a great predictor of future behavior. Really, is someone prepared to switch parties, especially if they are traditional Republicans, to vote for the other side? And there's very little precedent for that. We have Joe Biden with a 37% approval rating, and someone who is viewed by a lot of Republicans as someone who has done harm to the country. He is not exactly a traffic driver, if you know what I mean.
Trump is guilty!
Thursday's verdict catapults the U.S. into unexplored territory before the November 5th vote.
Go to jail!
Trump's campaign said it raised $35 million from small donors after the verdict, nearly double its previous daily record. National opinion polls showed Trump and Biden locked in a tight race.
Just simply, I don't think we need a convict in office.
My president's got street credit now.
If they can do this to me, they can do this to anyone.
Falsifying business records carries a maximum sentence of 4 years in prison.
Thank you very much, everybody.
Others have typically received shorter sentences, fines, or probation. Trump must wait until after his July 11th sentencing before appealing.